Organon of Medicine, Aphorism 1. The physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health, to cure as it is termed. His mission is not, however, to construct so-called systems by interweaving empty speculations and hypotheses concerning the internal essential nature of the vital processes and the mode in which diseases originate in the interior of the organism. So many physicians have until now ambitiously wasted their talents and their time, nor is it to attempt to give countless explanations regarding the phenomena in diseases and their proximate cause, which must ever remain concealed, wrapped in unintelligible words and an inflated abstract mode of expression, which should sound very learned in order to astonish the ignorant, while sick humanity sighs in vain for aid. Of such learned reveries, to which the name of theoretic medicine is given and for which special professorships are instituted, we have had quite enough, and it is now high time that all who call themselves physicians should at length cease to deceive suffering mankind with mere talk and begin now instead for once to act, that is really to help and to cure.